Imagine a product being built inside a factory, completely sealed off from the outside world. Raw materials go in, finished goods come out, but no one is allowed to see what happens inside. Would you trust a facility that operates in total secrecy? Most AI systems used by businesses today work exactly like this. They are digital black boxes. We see the questions going in and the answers coming out, but the actual work happens where no one can watch it. Because we can't see inside, these systems process our data without any standard rules or a way to audit their actual work. There is no proof of how the AI reached its conclusion. Relying on a process we can't observe forces us to accept a significant risk, the possibility of using information that has never been verified. The problem is that when a hidden system makes a mistake, there's no way to look back and find the root cause. Without visibility, you can't fix what you can't see. To solve this, we have to change the way the factory is built. We remove the opaque walls and replace them with a transparent structure, where every work zone is visible and organized. This transparent structure acts as a governed execution layer. It's a set of digital guardrails that ensures every single task the AI performs is out in the open. By building transparency directly into the foundation, we turn AI from an unpredictable mystery into a system that follows a clear, observable map. Inside our transparent factory, the work is done by specialized digital assistants, or agents, each designed to handle one specific part of a job. In many systems, these digital assistants can wander wherever they want, potentially accessing files or data they shouldn't even be looking at. To keep things secure, we use local deployment. This means each digital assistant is assigned to its own private station. They are physically restricted to their own workspace and cannot leave that area. Keeping each worker at their own station ensures that sensitive information stays where it belongs. It prevents the AI from taking actions or accessing data that hasn't been specifically authorized. Now that the workers are in their proper places, they stay connected by a strictly controlled conveyor belt. This is the pipeline that guides every task from start to finish. Every task starts at supplier quality, where the system checks incoming raw data for accuracy. It then passes through in-process quality assurance, a constant monitor ensuring the AI follows every instruction. Finally, every action is recorded on a digital log, creating a detailed history. This log turns the invisible steps of computer processing into a list of hard facts. It forces the AI to show its work, providing evidence for every decision it makes. If you ever need to check an answer, you can look at the log and see exactly which data was used and which steps were taken. You no longer have to take the AI's word for it. All of this evidence leads to one final stop, the quality gate. This is where the system reads the digital log to decide what happens next. It doesn't just guess. It follows a simple set of rules to determine if the work is actually complete. If the log shows that all the information was verified and every step was followed, the gate opens and the work is finished. But if the log shows that the AI was missing information or couldn't explain its work, the gate stays closed. The system triggers a halt and stops the process before an error can happen. This halt is a safety feature. By refusing to move forward without clear evidence, the system prevents the AI from making an unverified guess when it isn't sure of the answer. When we step back to look at the whole factory now, it is clear and organized. The secrecy is completely gone. This execution layer ensures that AI no longer has to work in the dark. It creates a controlled environment where every action is checked and every output is proven. By using isolated workspaces, strict pipelines, and a detailed audit trail, we can finally manage how these systems operate. This is how we move away from unpredictable black boxes. We turn AI into a reliable, accountable tool that businesses can actually trust.